What are we doing today?
The wiper room, hopefully.
The Scirocco. We gotta take all that off?
Yeah.
It looks like it will, to be fair. It's just that always that worry.
No, it's not the end of it if I don't have my trim back on.
You would like it back on?
Yeah.
I think that one will be better, yeah.
No, it doesn't make any difference.
Probably just clipped on like really well. It was like me when I was pulling my trim off and I pulled that face right at the end. Hey!
Oh, there's one.
Well, one snapped.
A couple are still in there.
It's always going to happen though, isn't it, with plastic trims?
Yeah, so... Alright, it went that way, didn't it?
Yeah.
You might just have to slide them out somehow.
Oh, I'll fully snap this nail. While Matt's taking them clips out, I'll show you his nice fresh new plates. So, there it is, the R9 FGX gang. We've got to sort out these screw holes, but we've got an idea for them. And then I'll show you mine as well. And on mine, someone decided to put Velcro here, so it's peeled off the paint, so you can actually see the original colour of the car, which was silver. So I'm going to have to do some nice, like, sort of touch up with that. Yeah. Oh dear. That didn't sound that great.
All the metal clips are staying in.
Oh.
So I don't know how we're going to get them out.
Just leave it for now, I guess. Bloody Volkswagen and their plastic trims. So you take all of this off just to get the wiper off. Then we've got to get.
One of them come off.
Then you got to get this big one off.
Toolkit's in your house, isn't it?
Yes, it's in the living room. So yeah, you have to remove a lot of pieces before you actually get to the wiper. Oh, I've got hiccups. Before you get to the wiper, which is a bit annoying. Just chatting away. God, they even hide the bolts. So then you have bolts up there under that little circle bit. Which don't seem to want to come out. God, that didn't sound very good. Hey! So we've done one, and then what do you reckon size that is?
T25 probably.
T25? T20?
T25. I reckon anyway.
See who's right.
Oh, actually.
You reckon it's T20?
Yeah, let me try T20.
I said T20, just saying. I said it first. Battle of the relationship over what size it is. Right, Katie knows best. At least this has got bolts though.
Yeah, but still, they'll have clips.
Yeah, but at least.
So this one will hold on. Yeah, so as long as you can get at least 2 clips at like 1 clip each end of the panel.
Yeah. It won't be as solid, but trim never is it, once you pulled it off once?
Well, my Corsa one, I think I broke something. Yanking it.
Yeah, it's good on camera. Are you ready for Tenerife?
Very ready.
Although by the time this
Got my beach body ready.
His breakfast bod this morning. By the time you're actually watching this, well, actually the sad bit is we'll be back off holiday. And the sky probably won't look like this because we've filmed so much ahead. That's a bit sad, isn't it? Probably my tools.
I've got the end of the washer jet stuck in my tool.
Fine, grab your hammer if you want. If it'd be easier. Where have you found that bolt from?
What bolt?
Oh, I thought you found a bolt.
No, that's the end of the washer jet.
What are you trying to do? Just clamp it?
Trying to get it out.
Ah.
It's probably destroyed now, isn't it? Slightly destroyed.
I feel like this is the point where a lot of people get to and then give up.
What?
They just leave the sticky out bit, don't
Oh
they?
yeah, because they don't know what they're doing.
Because they don't know what to do. Other than that, but here at MEandKTy, we like to help you. So Matt, have you got your snazzy tool?
My what?
Your little snazzy
I
tool?
already used it.
Oh, you've already used it?
I don't know where I put it.
Oh, Matt has a nice little snazzy
okay.
tool that is literally for a wiper delete. Like, well, to get your wiper off, you don't necessarily have to be.
Yeah, it's not made for wiper deletes. It's made for taking wiper.
I definitely think Killer Wipers should definitely sell these.
Yeah, they'd make a.
Like
It's like 8 quid. Sell it for 10 quid.
Yeah, and put their logo on it.
Yeah.
There you go, Killer Wipers. But yeah, this is just a really cool little tool.
I've lost my extension.
If you sort of don't really want to do it yourself, or you don't want to put like pressure on the wrong bit of the glass, this kind of just takes it all away from it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, so but on eBay you can find them enough. Just type in like wiper removal tool, and you'll find various different ones. But yeah, about £8. It's a nice little thing.
Except mine is broken.
Even though yeah, Matt's is broken, but
I can still use it.
he used it on the Mini as well. You bought it for the Mini, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bought it for the Mini. Just to make that a little bit easier, but the Mini come off quite nicely as well.
Yeah, that's a lot easier than this one.
And then, yeah, well, my trim's just one panel, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I mean the wiper.
Ah.
A lot easier. That was literally popped into my face.
I thought you needed me.
I will in a minute.
Oh. Yeah, this is just a nice little like budget mod you can do really. Killer Wipers pretty much do any sort of kit as long as your wiper is in the glass. So I'd definitely go and check them out. But please, they seem to have a lot of people at the moment putting the wiper bit in the wrong way.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I saw they put it on their story the other day saying, by the way, you've got your wiper kit. Like someone had found a car with one, sent it to them, and they put a shout out like, by the way, you've done it the wrong way.
Well, I saw a video on YouTube on a Golf, I think it was. It's the same as this, I think. And he tried to pull the sticker off. It was like, I don't want this stupid sticker in the way. No, 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 no. He eventually peeled it off, and then he put the bung in the wrong way, so there was a lip.
I don't know
But the thing is, there's
why.
instructions.
Like the whole point of Killer Wipers is for it to be flush. It's supposed to be nice.
Like, we're not reading the instructions, but we've done it before. It's pretty obvious what way around it goes.
Yeah.
Like the first time I did it on my first car, so was that was like 5.
Because you push it through, don't you, basically?
that
You
was
silicone, then push through. You don't push it from the
That
outside.
was like 5 white deep wipers.
At the end of the day, though, if you was going to do it from the outside, you wouldn't have to take all of this off.
No.
Because you just stick it on.
Get the motor out.
Well, yeah, but...
This is what I'm going to need you to hold the motor.
You want me to hold the boot?
No, the motor.
Oh, what?
So I don't
This
fold
bit?
it. Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to hold it with you. This is Katie's help.
But don't yank it down because there's a wire.
No, I'm literally just going to hold it.
You know what I mean? There's a wire attached, so. I hate these wires.
Do you want me to have a go?
This might work.
It's all the little super clips, aren't they?
Yeah. And then just, can you pull it out?
Pull, what, this
Cable,
bit?
Not by the wires.
I can't see. Is it this bit?
Yeah.
There you go. Then you got, oh, that one's already come out. So yeah, that is basically what you got to remove.
I'll watch your head.
And then that nice bit. Oh, that's not too bad. You use trim tool, I would.
Why?
Lift it up and then just like ping it out. Because you was getting, if you lift it, I'll slot this under it.
Oh, right, I'm with you.
Ah.
Now it's the whole point, is cleaning it up.
And now, so guys, this is what you should look like. I'm gonna show you it a bit. So you should just have, can you see the camera? Yeah. A nice, just literally a hole in some glass. Give that a nice clean. And yeah, then the next bit's the easy part really, it's the fun bit. Just
the non-fun bit's going to be putting all the trims back.
Little tip, if you're planning on doing this and then cleaning your car, we would not recommend, do it the other way around, clean your car then do this, because the silicone takes about what, 24 hours to dry?
Something like that.
And especially, obviously you can't help it if it's going to rain.
Yeah, because I did my silver car in the rain and I had to put a blanket over.
Yeah, obviously like it does, I think they have different, like after so many hours it's like okay, and then after 24 you're completely okay. But ideally guys, don't do it in the rain. But yeah. So, I'll get your fingers in it.
Shake it.
It's like not focusing at all. So basically you should be doing it from this side of the car. The sticker should be facing inside of the boot. You shouldn't be able to see the sticker from the outside of the boot.
So let's have a look from this side.
That is what you should be seeing. And you will get a line of silicone, which is obviously where you've got to smudge it in, haven't you?
Yeah, if you probably get a bit on my finger as well.
Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. And then we've got to finish putting all the bits on, but I'm not going to show you that because that probably won't be very fun to watch.